Hi everyone! Today, let us learn English with a heartwarming story about a secret family recipe. Look, Lily. I found an old wooden box.
What is it, Mommy? Is it a treasure?
It is a secret vegetable soup recipe from my grandmother.
Is it a letter from Grandma?
Yes, it is her special recipe for vegetable soup.
I am hungry, Mommy. Can we make the soup today?
Yes, of course. Let us go to the kitchen. But first we need to buy some things. We need to go to the supermarket now. The supermarket is very bright today. We need many fresh vegetables.
Look, Mommy. 1, 2, 3 carrots.
Good job, Lily. Carrots are very healthy. We also need onions and potatoes. Do we have salt and pepper at home?
Yes, we do. But we need more pepper.
And a little bit of cream for the soup. Now we have all the ingredients.
Yum!
Let us go home and start cooking. First, I wash and cut the vegetables. Lily, please help me put them in the pot. That's right, now all of them. Perfect, thank you. It smells so delicious.
Hello, everyone. What is that great smell?
It is a special soup from a secret recipe. Right. It is a special soup from a secret recipe.
Oh, really?
Wah! Hee-haw-hi! It is Grandma's soup, Daddy.
I remember this smell. It is wonderful.
Dinner is ready. Let us eat together.
I love this soup. Thank you, Mommy.
Cooking with family is very happy.
We should cook more often.
Yes, sharing food is sharing love.
I think that was the best story yet.
Oh, you're just saying that because you got cake.
Can we do it again tomorrow?
Did you like the story? Let us review our words. First is recipe. A recipe tells us how to cook. Second is ingredients. These are the food we use. Third is delicious. It means the food is very good. Thank you for learning with me. Goodbye.